Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on Crystal Clear Curls. We're just gonna hop right in. As you can see, my hair was in dire need of some hydration, and I chose to try out RevAir's new Extreme Hydration Collection to achieve this. Starting off with the Detox Pre-Wash Rinse, which is a rinse used before shampooing on wet hair. Now this detoxifying rinse is used to help rid the hair and scalp of buildup, all while soothing the scalp and promoting hydration with ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and lavender. Now my first wash day tip is to make scalp care a focus during your wash day. Using the pads of your fingers instead of your fingernails to massage the scalp will help lift buildup and debris off your scalp without causing irritation. A healthy scalp is pertinent for hair growth. Now, of course, using a pre-wash rinse like this isn't mandatory or anything, but this really helped to detox and prep my hair for the remainder of my wash day. My scalp felt amazing afterwards, and I hadn't even shampooed yet. The next product in this line is the Cleansing Oil Shampoo. It is infused with coconut water, hyaluronic acid, and olive leaf extract. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know there are a few things I care about with my shampoos, like what kind of shampoo is it? Is it clarifying, moisturizing, or all-purpose? Can I do some detangling with it? And does it give me lather? Now, I would consider this shampoo more of a moisturizing shampoo, but partnered with the Detox Pre-Wash Rinse, it gives much more of a deep cleanse than most moisturizing shampoos. Now, my second wash day tip is to shampoo your hair in a downward motion instead of bunching it up towards the scalp to prevent tangling your hair more. Now, as I mentioned before, I like to detangle my hair some during the shampoo stage, so my shampoo needs to have some slip in order for me to achieve this. So when I'm scrubbing my scalp, I like to hold the hair out to keep from causing more tangles. Now it's time to condition the hair with the deep conditioning treatment. The conditioner is also infused with coconut water, hyaluronic acid, and olive leaf extract. You can either use it as a rinse out conditioner, leaving it in for 5 to 10 minutes, or as a deep conditioner by putting a plastic cap on it and applying moderate heat. I used it as a deep conditioner, and as always, this is when I do the bulk of my detangling. And here's my third wash day tip. Add some water to your hair with the conditioner already applied to detangle with more ease. This will make your conditioner a little foamy in texture. I like to start with finger detangling to eliminate a lot of those big tangles gently. Then afterwards, I go in with my brush from All Natural Glow to detangle starting at the ends and working my way up. Now you may notice me holding my brush vertically while detangling my hair, and I've just learned that my brush glides much more easily through my hair while detangling when I hold it vertically. and then I'll often change the direction of the brush. And then once I finish a section, I twist it up and I move on to the next. My hair felt so soft after rinsing out that conditioner. It left my hair with a nice shine and my hair was hydrated and moisturized. Okay, the last product I used of this line was the Hydrating Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And this is my last wash day tip for this video, and that is to apply your leave-in conditioner in the shower while your hair is soaking wet. This has helped my hair soak up leave-in conditioner when I use it. Now, the only product of this line I didn't use was the Moisture Rich Hair and Scalp Oil, but I used it later on with my style. Now, I have linked these products in the description below as well as a discount code. I also hope you found these wash day tips helpful, and tell me down in the comments which tip you found most helpful. And that is the end of this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Now until next time, bye.